Hey beauties, I'm Jasmine Airdelle and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying on the new Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. So this is the newest addition to the Naked family. I know the original is no longer in existence, but they have come out with this new palette, which I was really excited to try out, to pick up. So I'm going to try it on for you guys. This is what it looks like on the inside. It looks like every other Naked palette in terms of the packaging. I really like the color and the front cover actually. And on the inside, it kind of reminds me of the Naked 3 palette, but I don't own mine anymore, so I can't really look at them side by side. I'm going to look online though to see how similar they really are. But I do know that this one does go a lot deeper. I feel like this one is a lot more chocolate girl friendly for myself and any other chocolate girls out there. The Naked 3 palette I felt like was not as deep skin friendly. I felt like there was a lot more light colors in there and it wasn't as friendly. I think pretty much every shade would work for deeper skin tones except for the first two, like unless you're using them as a base or something, it's gonna be, you know, a little bit light. But like once you hit this part of the palette, every shade is really pretty, whether you want to wear it all over your lid or whatever. So especially once you get to this part of the palette, like this part right here, like it's so beautiful for deeper skin tones. Okay, so we're gonna get started with an eye look. It does come with a brush. This is a cool brush actually. This one has a blending side and it also has a little short buffer side. So the first shade I'm going to use is Juicy. I just want to see how it works on my skin tone because it's one of the lighter shades. So I'm just going to apply Juicy right in there. Looks pretty decent. Like it's a little bit on the border of chalky, but I think it still works. So we're just going to blend that upward. Yeah, looks really nice. It looks very just light and airy. Looks really nice. Blend that in. I want to make this look very simple and just easy. So the next shade I'm going to go in with is Ambitious, and it's just a really beautiful like sparkly shade. So I'm just going to put this all over my lid. So we're just going to use a flat brush to pick up Ambitious, and we're just going to press that on the eyelid. There's some fallout there. So we're going to use a setting spray. I don't really want too much fallout, so it's the best way. And it looks so gorgeous. Wow, this color is full of pigment. It's beautiful. I mean, Urban Decay is like the king of eyeshadow, like pigmentation. They're always amazing. And they're probably like, they're definitely one of the first two brands that I purchased when I first started buying makeup at Sephora. The first, when it comes to eyeshadow at least, the first eyeshadow I bought, I think, was from Too Faced, the first two. And then the third one was definitely Midnight Cowboy Rides Again from Urban Decay. I still have it somewhere. But that was the third eyeshadow I ever purchased from Sephora, and I really love it. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to start out with Juicy once again. Take a big brush and kind of just brush that in there. So we're going to take some of Bang. And we're just going to... And then we're going to blend that out. So next we're going to take a little bit of Privacy and go up a little bit more. Just deepen up that under area some more. So we're going to use some Turn On, which is this shade right here, for the inner corner. I'm gonna throw on some lashes and some mascara. So we're gonna throw on some of La Peach for highlight. And then for lips, we're going to do Urban Decay's 1993. We just want to keep it a little bit Urban Decay today. And I love this color, actually. I haven't worn it in a while, but I love it. I usually don't wear this color with a lip liner, but today I think I'm going to add some. We're going to add MAC's Chestnut Lip Liner. I'm not even going to do gloss today, although, you know, I love gloss. I'm just going to not even go there today. So this is the whole look. I definitely love it. I do love this palette. I love the packaging. I love the inside of the palette. I think it's a good beginner palette if you want to dive into a little bit of color for the fall time and winter, because you do have some beautiful, very beginner friendly colors. They're not too crazy where I feel like you're going to be struggling out there in the streets with them. I feel like they're very appropriate for beginners. What I love about the Naked palettes is they kind of give you looks already planned out. Like, these two colors go together, these two go together, these two, like every color has this pair almost. Like, you could just easily think of a look. The pigment is there in all the shades. It's Urban Decay, so I definitely don't even worry about pigment when it comes to them, because I know from like over 10 years ago the pigment was there, so I expect it to still be here over 10 years later. So yeah, I'm excited to see more nakeds. I want to see different nakeds. I want to see naked deep. I want to see naked, like all different types of naked, you know. Like, I want them to really go hard with this naked series, like Naked Bronze, and like really own it, because I think they definitely owned the naked concept. So I'd love to see a lot more from them. If you want to see a different look with this palette, let me know. I will do something different for you guys as well. But that's basically it on the palette. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I said video like 10 times in the last 2 seconds, like literally. Literally.